When you need to keep one person visible and redact everything else in the scene, you can use background redaction with an exception. This gives you full control over what stays visible. Click Add Media and upload your video. Once it loads, you'll be in the editor. Go to Auto Detect. Select heads or people depending on your use case. Click Submit and wait for detection to complete. Now we'll define what gets redacted. Draw a box that covers the full frame of the video. Right-click on that box and select As Background. This tells Redactor to apply redaction across the entire scene. Open the Objects panel below the video or click directly on Objects in the editor. Click through the detected objects to find the person you want to keep visible. Select that object directly in the editor. Right-click on the bounding box and click Keep on Redacted. You can also apply this from the Objects panel if needed. This marks the person as an exception, so they remain visible while the rest of the scene is redacted. Click Render and Export. Choose your redaction style, for example, mosaic. Adjust intensity if needed. Click Submit and preview the result. You should now see the full scene is redacted, your selected person stays visible. Once you're satisfied with the preview, click Export Video and download your file. Background redaction works by defining what gets hidden and then marking exceptions.